26 sudden spell of heavy rain disrupted traffic across Hyderabad in the afternoon, flooding roads, snarling traffic, forcing commuters to take cover wherever they could. The city, which saw humid and sunny start, later rain lashed several parts of the city. Waterlogging was reported in multiple stretches, including JBS Junction, Kondapur, and Bandara Hills, etc. In several parts, motorists stopped under the metro pillars to take shelter.
वीडियो वीडियो